dear students, circle last topic, problem set 6. Very simple. We have to choose the correct alternative. Radius of the circle is 10 centimeter and distance of the chord from the center is 6 centimeters. Oh, it shall be distance of the chord is 6. The length of the chord is इसके ऐसा तुम्हारे लिए करने का तो कर सकते हैं मेरे को आंसर बाय हार्ट है इसका ए chord is there, radius is 10, distance is 6, therefore this will be 8 by Pythagoras theorem. See, for me it is by heart because for you may have to do it. A, B, M. See, AM square plus 6 square equal to 10 square. Therefore, AM square equal to 10 square minus 36 or 6 square equal to 100 minus 36 equal to 64. Therefore, AM is equal to 8. So, AM equal to 8. Therefore, MB is also 8. See, triplets. 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. 36 plus 64 equal to 100. ये तो ऐसा by heart. So AM is equal to 8 मतलब AB is equal to 16. 16 choice है क्या इसमें? Yes. दिया है सर. That is the correct answer. The point of concurrence of an angle bisector of a triangle is called. This they have given for construction of incircle and circumcircle. तुम लोग को बोलता हूँ क्या है incircle, circumcircle, etc. पूरा. See, if there is a triangle ABC, it's a triangle. If I draw a perpendicular bisector of BC and perpendicular bisector of AC and perpendicular bisector of AB, all the three perpendicular bisector. Do you know what is a perpendicular? Perpendicular as well as bisector. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. If I call it as ABC, P, Q, R. This is a perpendicular bisector, means this is equal to this, and this is 90 degrees. This has to be 90 degrees, and this is equal to this. That's perpendicular. Similarly, this is perpendicular bisector, means this is equal to this, and this angle 90. All the three perpendicular bisectors are concurrent. That point is called circumcenter. Circumcenter. And the circle which we draw with this circumcenter, suppose this circumcenter we call it O. If you draw a circle with OA as radius, that will pass through B also, C also. OA equal to OB equal to OC. This circle is called a circumcircle. This center is called circumcenter. This just understand it. Because this construction we did not do because construction we all will take together. So this is the circumcircle passing through all the vertices. This is the circumcenter. So what is the question? Find the concurrence of all the bisectors of the triangle, angle bisectors. Circumcenter नहीं है. That is will be called incenter. अभी we will draw another triangle. Let us draw another triangle here. Let's call it P, Q, R. If we draw the angle bisector, this is the angle bisector. The third angle bisector will be through this. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. This is the angle bisector. This is equal to this. This is the angle bisector. This is equal to this. This is the angle bisector. They all meet at a point. Let's call it I. I is called in center. In center, if you draw a circle, suppose you draw a perpendicular here, let us say M. This circle which we draw, if I draw a circle with I as center and IM as radius, it will touch all the three sides. That means this distance is equal to this distance is equal to this distance. This is equal to this equal to this center is called in center and this circle is called in circle. Alright. Now we know in circle and in center. This will touch all the sides. Now I will come back to the question. If the point of concurrence of all angle bases, these are the three angle bases of a triangle is called the in center. This point is called in center. So in center को tick mark करेंगे. In center is the right place. Right. The circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle, which I already give you. Circumcircle. All the three are there. And if you ask me what is the orthocenter, I will tell you orthocenter also because they are there. Some information, extra information if I give you, there is nothing wrong in that. But that is not required for this sum anyway. But they have mentioned orthocenter. See, if I have a triangle like this, ABC, if I draw a perpendicular from A, if I draw a perpendicular from B, another perpendicular from C, they are all perpendicular to opposite side. This is perpendicular to BC, this is perpendicular to this. That point where they intersect is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. Ortho का मतलब 90 degrees. If I draw 90 degrees from here to here, this also 90 degrees, this also 90 degrees, they meet together. That center is called orthocenter. What is asked, but that is not what the question is. So this is not the question, but what is an orthocenter? I told you. In center, I told you. And what is a centroid? I have already told you. The point where all the medians meet is called a centroid. Okay? I give you extra information apart from this. Alright, this is over. Okay, friends or students, we will start with this one. Then we erase and do this one. Then again erase and do this one. Easiest. So I am solving the sixth one. Radius of a circle with center O is 14 centimeters. Radius is 14 centimeters. Now, any point whose distance from center O is less than 14 will be inside. For example, OP equal to 12. So OP will be inside. Less than radius होगा तो inside आएगा. If another point OQ equal to 14, so Q will be on the circle. Q will be on the circle. Then let's say OR equal to 16. So OR is 16 means R will be outside the circle. Any point whose distance is more than the radius will be outside the circle. Any point whose distance is equal to radius will be on the circle. Whose distance less than the radius will be in the circle. So, the radius of the circle is center O is 14 centimeters. If length OP equal to 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 पर्यंत इधर है. Length OP is equal to 4.2. So, say where the point P will be, it will be inside the center. Inside the center. Center नहीं होना चाहिए. On the circle होना चाहिए. सर्कल बोले तो इधर आएगा, then radius will be equal to distance. Distance is only 4.2, less than radius. See, OP, distance OP less than radius. Therefore, P will be interior, inside the circle. So, okay. Next we will go to length of the tan largest chord of the circle with radius 2.9 centimeter is. देखो, in any circle, if I start drawing the chord, this is the chord, this is another chord, this is another chord. Suppose O is the center, this is the chord, then it decreases. If I go away from the center, length of the chord decreases. This is smaller than this. So this is diameter. Diameter is passing through the center. So diameter is the largest chord. बाकी सब chord diameter से कम रहेगा. Largest chord is diameter. So the length of the largest chord is diameter. So radius दिया है 2.9. Diameter is equal to twice radius. Equal to 2 into radius कितना है 2.9 equal to 5.8 centimeter. Largest chord is diameter and diameter equal to 5.8. 5.8 दिया है and that is the answer. हो गया. Very simple. Largest chord is diameter and that is 5.8. ये भी हो गया. Now first one. क्या दिया है? Length of the chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. ये distance दिया है. ये ऐसा वाला सब बहुत सारे किया आप लोग. Distance is length of the chord is 24 and distance दिया है 5. ये length of ये perpendicular distance है. देखो ये 24 होगा तो this will be 12. हमको चाहिए radius. Length of the chord is 24. This will be half of the chord. Half of the chord is 12. Distance दिया है 5. Yes. तो हमको radius चाहिए. ये radius O, A, B, M. So ये आएगा 13. 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. 169 का रूट आएगा 13. Radius is equal to 13. This is the correct answer. हो गया. Next one. All right, students. The circle. This is the center. O. Now two chords which are parallel but opposite side of the center. उसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. They are on the same side. एक ही साइड में ना. So they are on opposite side मतलब one is here, one is there. O is the center. And on opposite side, we will draw distance between the two chords we want. They said they are parallel. This is parallel to this. They are divided. So we will draw this perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. One chord is 6 centimeter, other one is 8 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This chord is 8 centimeter. That will be. So I want to get this distance from here to here. So we will do one thing. Distance मिलेगा ना, radius हमारे पास है. Radius कितना दिया है? Radius 5 centimeters. This is 5. This is 90 degrees. ये 6 होगा तो ये 3 रहेगा. हम लोग पाइथागोरस से कैलकुलेट करेगा तो this will be 4. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. सो पाइथागोरस से कैलकुलेट करेगा तो दिस ये मिलेगा तुम लोग को 4. सिमिलरली इधर ज्वाइन करेंगे हम लोग. दिस इज 5 रेडियस एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर का दिस इज 4. तो पाइथागोरस से कैलकुलेट करेगा तो दिस विल बी 3. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. तो ये 4 है, ये 5 है, तो ये 3 है. सिमिलरली ये 3 है, ये 5 है, तो ये 4 है. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से कैलकुलेट करें. दैट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू कॉर्ड्स. 4 plus 3, the distance is equal to 7. This is the distance. हो गया अपना सब. फटाफट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई कर देने का. इजीली दिस डिस्टेंस मिलेगा और दिस डिस्टेंस मिलेगा, दोनों ऐड करेगा तो तुमको टोटल मिलेगा 7. ओके फाइन. Students, here you have got the figure of this question. This question figure is here. C is the center of the circle. Yes. इधर Q लिखना, T लिखना बाकी है. T लिखेंगे हम लोग. This is the T. QT is the diameter. QT is the diameter. It passes through the center. And CT is equal to 13. This is 13. Means radius equal to 13. CT equal to 13 means radius is 13. CP equal to 5. This is 5. So find the length of the chord. So we will join. क्या ज्वाइन करेंगे? CR. ओके, CR ज्वाइन करेंगे. अभी CR ज्वाइन करेगा तो that is also radius. This is radius. This is also radius. This is 13. This also is 13. Now in this triangle, it's a right angle triangle. This is 5 and this is 13. By Pythagoras theorem, you will get this as 12. You know, 13 square minus 5 square is equal to 144. Square root of 144 is 12. ये 12 मिल गया. ये सब by heart हो जाता है. So 13 square is 169. 5 square is 25. 169 minus 25 is 144. 144 का square root आ गया 12. तो अगर R भी 12 है, what is the length of the chord? Double of this. Length of the chord will be 24. Twice 12. 2 into 12 equal to 24 is the length of the chord. So what is the length of the chord RS? Answer आ गया इधर equal to 24 सेंटीमीटर दिया क्या? सेंटीमीटर कुछ नहीं दिया, so 24 यूनिट्स लिख देगा. ये हो गया पहला वाला. Right. We'll go to the second one. P is the center of the circle. Let us figure out the figure. Circle. P is the center of the circle. Yes, P is the center of the circle. And chord AB and chord CD intersect on the diameter at point E. Chord AB and chord CD. Chord AB on the diameter. Okay, this is the diameter. Diameter is CD. Okay. One chord is AB, other chord is CD. Intersect on the diameter at point A. A CD here. Chord AB and chord CD. This is chord AB. This is chord CD. They intersect at this point on the diameter at E. So you have to figure out the figure. If figure is not given, I think the figure is given, but even if the figure is not given, you should be able to intersect. You have to interpret the thing, figure out the figure. हो गया. उसके बाद क्या चाहिए अपने को? If angle AEP, congruent angle AEP equal to angle DEP. Angle DEP. This angle is congruent to this angle. AEP, congruent angle DEP. We have to prove that AB congruent to CD. Or AB equal to CD. You have to prove that this chord is equal to this chord. उसके लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे हम लोग, डेफिनेटली इजीली कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. What is the construction? Draw perpendicular from P to this. ये हमको प्रूफ वगैरह ये सब चाहिए. इसको M डाल दो, इसको परपेंडिकुलर इधर भी करो, तो M डाल. This is point. Center is P is the center. Okay. Now look at this figure. This triangle and this triangle. What do you think about these two triangles? This is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees perpendicular distance. Draw perpendicular. This is the perpendicular distance. This is perpendicular. These are 90 degrees. So this one is the common hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse of this triangle. This is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Common hypotenuse. This angle 90 degrees. This angle 90 degrees. This angle is equal to this angle given. The angle side congruent to angle side, or side angle congruent to side angle. These two triangles are congruent. If the triangles are congruent, this is congruent to this, corresponding sides are congruent to it. If this is congruent to this chord is congruent to this chord. We have a nice theorem. See, chords which are equidistant from the center. The chords which are equidistant from the center are congruent. We have studied that theorem. So I will write the proof for you here. Construction. Draw construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. ON perpendicular to CD. The construction. In triangle PME and triangle PNE, see, angle PME equal to angle PNE equal to 90 degrees. Construction, that's the reason. Construction. This is equal to 90 degrees. Angle PEM congruent to angle PEN. Given. They are given that this angle is congruent to this angle. They are given. And OP congruent to OP. Common side. This is congruent to this common side. Therefore, triangle PME congruent to triangle PNE by angle side. Test. Therefore, PM congruent to PN. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Now, omega. Therefore, AB congruent to CD. उसका reason है. There is a theorem. If the chords are equidistant from the center, chords are congruent. Chords equidistant from the center. From center are congruent. Theorem है. This is the answer. We got it. I hope you understood that. Now we will go to the sum number 3. CD is the diameter of a circle with center 4. Diameter CD is perpendicular to chord AB at point E. So that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. center O. Diameter CD is perpendicular to chord AB. So let us draw diameter CD is perpendicular to chord AB. This is chord AB. Perpendicular दिया तो this angle 90 degrees. हो गया? At point E. Point E. Okay, show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let us draw triangle ABC. So we have to show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. What they are given? This is a diameter. This is the chord. The diameter perpendicular to chord. O is the center. Okay, we have to prove that this is an isosceles triangle. First of all, this is line drawn from the center perpendicular to chord. This is perpendicular they are given. Therefore, this will be equal to this. Line drawn from the center perpendicular to chord bisects the chord. This is equal to this. For the theorem. Now, very simple. This triangle here and this triangle here are congruent. Why they are congruent? Let us prove that. This side is a common side. This angle congruent to this angle. This side congruent to this side. So side angle side congruent to side angle side. The two triangles are congruent means this side AC congruent to this side BC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. So I will write the theorem for you, proof for you very nicely. So I remove this. I can write from the top. देखो इधर proof. क्या करेंगे? OE perpendicular to O. This is perpendicular to AB given. Now, therefore, AE congruent to BE. This is congruent to this. कारण क्या है? इसका नाम है chord bisector theorem. Chord bisector theorem. Says that line drawn from the center perpendicular chord to chord bisects AE congruent to BE. Right. Next we have CE congruent to CE. CE congruent to CE. कारण क्या है? Common side. Common side. Angle OEA or angle CEA equal to angle CEB, each 90 degrees given. Therefore, triangle ABC, triangle AB, this triangle congruent to that triangle. So, triangle AC congruent to triangle BCE by क्या है? Side angle side test. Side angle side test. This is the common side. This angle 90, this angle 90. This is equal to this. Side angle side congruent to side angle side test. Okay, now therefore AC congruent to BC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Therefore, AC congruent to BC comes up. This is congruent to this. Therefore, it's an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is and isosceles. It's an isosceles. I hope you understood this everything. So you have completed the circuit chapter. Only that construction we will do along with other constructions whenever we do the construction. Alright, I hope you liked and enjoyed